Hunter Night Market is an extraordinary night market that hosted by KKTL College, which featuring with Hunty team.
We're taking from Night of Fright from Sami Lagoon. So where it's a market with a lot of ghosts. You can go around the market and then you can find ghosts and then you can take a picture with them. Actually, we have the decoration, ghost decoration. We have Efton and also
the corpse, yes,
yeah. And then we also have ghosts starting from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And every night we have special performance from Busting Band. Tonight is Tralala Band. It's a UM band. It's very famous here.
Betul, bila kita compare dengan night market yang biasa, dekat sini kita boleh jumpa hantu. Which is selalu kita jumpa kalau pergi rumah hantu kot. I mean like the first one kot yang kita orang pergi dekat dalam UM. So sebelum ni tak pernah.
This is Yuzun from the Morning Post.